Let's talk about division and long division. Division is saying that 9 divided by 3 equals 3, which can easily be said because we can say, well, 3 times 3 equals 9. So let's write it as fractions. 9 times 3 equals 3. 3 times 3, if I bring the 3 up, I have to multiply. So 9 must be equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. That works. The thing we want to talk most about is doing long division. Like if we have 3 divided into 1, 2, 3. 3 goes into 1, no times. 3 goes into 12, though, 4 times. So we put our 4 up top. 4 times 3 is 12. We bring our 0 down, and we subtract these two things. So 123 minus 120 is going to be 3. And 3 goes into 3 one time. So we bring our 1 times 3 is 3, which is 0. So we have 0 remainder. That means that 123 divided by 3 is equal to 41. 123 divided by 3 is equal to 41. Just to double check, let's multiply it back. So 41 times 3 is going to be 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 4 is 12, 123. So we've got the right answer. Let's try one that's a little harder. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 3 goes into 12 4 times, which we know is going to be 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. I just keep writing zeros. Subtract these things. This cancels, so I get 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times does 3 go into 3? 1 time, which will give us 3, 0, 0, 0. Just carry the zeros if there's nothing left. Subtract these, gives me 456. 3 goes into 4 1 time, which is 300. Like 3 times 1 is 3, 0, 0. 56 remaining. 3 goes into 5 1 time. Oh, sorry. 4 minus 3 is 100. I should put my minus signs. 4 minus 3 is 156. 3 goes into 15 5 times to give us 150. Minus our 6, or minus 150. 156 minus 150 is 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. So let's multiply this back out. 41152 times by 3 is going to be equal to 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we know we've solved it for the right answer. One last thing I want to talk about before this is complete. Let's say we have 3 divided by, let's say 138, because I know that won't divide properly. So how many times does 3 go into 1? It doesn't. 313, though, goes in 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. Bring down our 0. And we're going to be left with 18 left. It does work. So let's add one more onto that. Let's say 139. So this ends up being 19. How many times does 3 go into 1? It doesn't. How many times does 3 go into 19, though? It goes in 6 times. 6 times gives us 18, and we're left with 1. So what do? Well, we can continue and put decimal places and go up there. But for now, what we're going to say is this is 46 remainder 1. That means that 139 divided by 3 equals 46 plus 1 over 139. 139. Whoops. Because there's 1 left out of 139 to be left to be divided. So this is our remainder, or you can just say 46 remainder 1. So that's how you do long division.